Welcome to Best Pre-Owned RV. This is our 2017 Roadtrek Adventurous CS. This Roadtrek is equipped with full solar and an engine generator. Also has shore power in those times of need. This adventure van has been taken care of and all systems are working as they should. As we make our way back to the bedroom, you can see that this coach has been customized with a 2-bed setup. We can easily change this to a single bed setup if you like. If you have more questions, you can visit us at www.bestpreownedrvsofsc.com.